joyous. In the train park we wish you nothing less. Snowflakes falling, the season's delight, as we chug along through the winter. We wish you a Merry Christmas. In the train park, oh so joyous. Gather round friends for and spread the festive cheer loud and clear. Candy canes lining the tracks, so sweet to snowy wonderland. And a tiny feet whistle blowing a festive tune in the train park under. We wish you a Merry Christmas. In the train park, oh so joyous. Gather round friends for and spread the festive cheer loud and clear. Through tunnels of tinsel and over bridges light in the train park, everything's just right. Santa's sleigh pulled by a toy train bringing smiles and joy again. Puff and steam in the cold night, air in the train park with friends who kiss snowmen waving as we pass by. Underneath the starlit sky, we wish you a Merry Christmas. In the train park, oh so joyous. Gather round friends for and spread the festive cheer loud and clear. As the journey ends, but the memories stay in the train park on this Christmas day. Heart full of warmth and spirits so bright, wishing you joy.